Hey guys and gals of YouTube, it's Robert from TallguysRC coming at you at the YouTube network. Hey guys, good morning. We're out today flying one of my older planes, the Flitetest Simple Scout, so you have a better understanding of what flaperons are. This is my Flitetest Simple Scout, and when you're normally flying you have ailerons, but on flaperons, when you set it up, when you flip your switch here, you'll notice both my ailerons went to about 50% down. That's going to give me flaps, but I also have the control to still use them as ailerons. So that's kind of what flaperons does. So if you just want to fly around normal, you turn them off, and then your ailerons are just ailerons. If you want to use little flaps to slow your plane down or take off in a shorter distance, you set it up on your flap switch, and now you have flaps. So let's put a battery in here and see what she will do. Again guys, this is just normal, no flaps, nothing like that. Flying around. We do a roll. Again guys, this plane flies around pretty slow as it is, so okay, so the new 50% flaps, let's flip it in here. Oh, there we go. Look at this, that's perfect. Look how slow this is, guys. This is with flaps on. That's 50% power, guys, with flaps on. There you go, I had to trim it out a little bit. So that's actually about perfect, guys. Turn here. So see how with the flaps on, guys, she slows down. I mean, I still have full control of the plane. I can do everything, but look how slow she flies with the flaps. So this is flaps off. So again, this is flying with no flaps. My battery's running out here. So let's do a landing here. Let's kick flaps in again. There's flaps. You can see how she slows down really nice here, guys. Ooh. No harm, no foul, guys. Oops. So guys, that's what 50% flaps looks like. Plane flies nice and slow with flaps down now. So if you want more information how to convert over to Flaperons, if you follow me on Instagram, guys, I actually showed how I set this up. So if you want to see the settings on my radio, jump over to my Instagram page and you can see the settings I have for this plane to get it to fly this way. Let's put another battery in this plane and just huck it around. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video of the Flitetest Simple Scout with the Flaperon modification. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button, and for those of you on mobile devices, bang the little bell notification. That way when I do upload videos weekly, you will be notified. Thanks again guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. TallguysRC checking out.